Hello again guys, welcome back to this video. So as I showed in the previous video, if you haven't seen that, kind of follow the series along. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make well over $300-400 during lockdown. So what I'm going to show you here today is I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So before I mentioned that you need to make a YouTube video, and from that YouTube video you want to put your affiliate links onto it. Now one of the things that you need to think about is, if you want to create kind of like that YouTube video, you're gonna need your cover. So your cover for creating a YouTube channel is quite simple to do. So if I just go onto here, so when you're on canva.com, just type in onto here YouTube channel art, and then it's gonna bring you this. So when you're on here, you literally can just pick any of these templates and they're gonna get you going pretty fast. So let's say I click on one of these templates, and you can pretty much put onto here something like how to could put something like call the channel something like Healthy Bites and do something like this. And then on here you can include maybe a picture of yourself or anything that you like. So let's say I include onto here, let me think what picture I could add. Okay, so let's just say I keep it like this. So what you're gonna do is, once you have something like this, you can easily create a YouTube channel. Now I know you guys already know how to create YouTube channels, so I don't need to explain to you how to do that, but I'm gonna be showing you how to optimize them correctly. If you click on the link down below in the description, that's my $100 a day free training. But moving ahead, then what you need to do next is you need to go to ClickBank. So ClickBank allows you to promote offers without having to request approval or anything like that. All you're going to be focusing on is sending traffic to that particular offer. And what is traffic? If you don't know what traffic is basically people that are potential buyers. So these are people that are going to see your video on YouTube, then they're going to potentially buy the product. So that's all traffic is. So what we're going to do on here is we're basically going to search in the health niche, because that's what we're looking for today. So then you're going to simply go on to, see if I can find, there we go, health and fitness. So now I know a lot of you probably thinking, how are you going to compete with all these big affiliate marketers if you're only, you know, promoting products that are quite popular already? Well, before you actually start thinking about that, you need to think about products that are popular and have what's called a gravity score. As you can see on here, gravity score basically means how many affiliates have managed to sell one of these products at least, or get sales in the last month. So you can see on here in the last month, 533 people already managed to get sales, on here 632. So what you're going to need to do onto here is you can promote product like Talks, which is a very good product, tried and tested product. And then what you're going to have to do with that is click to promote, and you're going to be able to get your promotion link. I show exactly how to set everything up in my free training that's linked down below. But anyway, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create what's called an evergreen video. So what evergreen videos are, so if I just go onto here, onto YouTube, so if I go on, let's say I type in Talks. So Talks, oops, put the wrong spelling there. So Talks. So as you can see on here, there's a lot of, you know, people that have made Talks videos already. They might be getting views here and there. But if you want to get a lot of the really good views, what you actually need to do is, as you can see, there's a lot of good volume, very low competition. But what you need to do to actually get like the sales that I'm telling you to get is you need to do it this method, and this is the method that works. You basically need to click on here, and then you want to type something like how to lose weight fast 2020, something like this. Now you can see videos from like 2 months ago with like 450,000 views, videos from like 1 month ago with like 11,000 views, 1 month ago, 1 million views. Now of course you're not going to be able to compete with all of these, like, you know, channels with all these big kind of subscribers, but you can still compete. Like you can see in here, 188 subscribers, almost 3,000 views, you know, 13,000 subscribers, nearly 745,000 views. So you can see all of these, and now you need to include your affiliate link in the description below of one of these videos when you make one of these videos, or when you use something called Content Summary. So Content Summary, now I'm going to show you exactly in another video exactly how the Content Summary works. But once you make one of these videos, you basically put your affiliate link there, and then you can use traffic methods that I'll show you what to do with in my free training as well. And then you can put all this together and you can actually start earning commissions. So I do this with products that are in the digital space. As you can see, the incomes that I kind of make, the sales I make here, these are all coming in the last couple of days. You can see here some of my earnings in May. Now you can do this for pretty much any product. You literally need to just repeat the process and keep doing it, and you can actually start earning very good, decent money in lockdown. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. See ya.